Yes, students, a very good morning to all. So today we are going to see
Good morning, sir.
yes, how to represent graphical representation of linear equation in two variable. Means how to draw the graph of linear equation in two variable. That means see here linear equation two variable. The graph of linear equation two variable. That means you have to represent on the Cartesian plane. And what this linear equation two variable represents, generally you will see. So you know that linear means degree of equation is 1, degree of the polynomial is 1, means highest power of the variable is 1. So you know that the general form of linear equation in two variable, that ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. General form of linear equation two variable is that ax, just wait a minute, just opening OneNote. Yes, all of you see, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now you see students, generally linear equation one variable, the general form of linear equation one variable is ax plus b is equals to 0. So here one variable is there, that is x. X is the variable and a is the coefficient of x and b is the constant. So the solution of this equation is what? X is equals to minus b by a. There is only one solution for linear equation in one variable. That means unique solution, you can say. Now linear equation in two variable. That means there must be two variables. That means some coefficients must be there, ax plus by, and here some constant is 0. So this is the, yes, Anusha.
Sir, in linear equation one constant, and then in linear equation in two variables also one constant only.
Always for any equation only one constant is there, because see, for example, if you take two constants, one constant is 2, another constant is 5, but after
yes,
adding these two you will get 7 na? Means only one constant na?
Yes, sir.
It is not possible to take more than 2 or 3 constants. Jitna bhi le lo, 4 or 5, however, means you take any number of constants, but after adding all these constants you will get only one constant only. Yes,
Sir, is root 2 a constant?
Yes, root is a number, na? Root
Yes,
is a
sir.
number.
Every real number is a constant.
Yes.
Then 2 plus root 2 is equal to
2 plus
root 2.
2 plus root is the one number.
Yes, sir.
If you want to write exactly, see root 2 is equals to approximate value 1.414. So
Yes.
then add 2.
3.4.
3.414.
ऐसे this is the
Yes,
number
sir.
exact, है ना? You no need to write in the decimal. 2.2 plus 2 root 2, sorry, 2 plus root is a one number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So finally ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is linear equation in two variable general form. So what is the meaning of solution of linear equation in two variable? See, solution of linear equation one variable means variable value find karna, means x is equal to minus b by a is the solution. Solution of anything, that means in the given equation whatever variables, values of the variables actually solution of the equation. Means for example you see, if I take one equation 2x plus 3y is equals to something 6. If I take something x is equals to 0, and if I take y is equals to 2, if I take these two values, if I substitute these values in the given equation, you can see here it is satisfying or not. 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 6. That means 6 is equal to 6.
Yes, sir.
That
Satisfied.
means x is equal to 0, y is equals to 2 is a satisfying. These values are satisfying the given equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. That means here x, if you write this x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 in generally Cartesian form, that means point that is 0 comma 2. This is the one point. You know that.
Sir, but it states that y could be in minus.
Y could be?
Will be in minus, no.
You can
No,
do y. Just wait, let me explain here. This is the one solution. 0 comma 2 is the solution. One solution. Like that, if I take for example x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 0, just check, they just substitute these values in the given equation. You can see here 2 into and 3 into 0 is equal to 6, 6 is equal to 6. This is also satisfying.
Yes,
That
sir.
means here 3 comma 0 is also one solution of this linear equation 2 variable. Like that, if I take x is equals to 1, y is equals to we want to 4 by 3. If you substitute these values in the given equation, again you will get again 6 is equal to 6. You can see
So your
here.
voice is cracking.
Not audible to you?
No, sir, it's clear. No, sir, your voice is cracking. Sir,
See, check your network. Check your network first.
Yeah.
Okay. So here 6 is equal to 6, again satisfying. That means here x is equal to 0 and y is equals to 4 by 3. That means 1 comma 4 by 3 is also solution of this linear equation 2 variable. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Like that, there are infinite number of options. When you take, for example, x is equals to 0, to satisfy this equation, the corresponding value y would be 2. That means 0 comma 2. When you take x is equals to 1, y would be 4 by 3. Like that, when x is equals to 2 something, y would be 2 by 3, like that. Means there are infinite numbers, you know that. That means there are infinite number of possibilities for x. The corresponding y values also is there. That is where there are infinite number of solutions. There are infinite number of solutions for linear equation in 2 variable. Infinite number of solutions. So many solutions are there. For example, see here I am taking something x plus y is equals to something 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, if only no, sir. I am telling that in the graph we are showing the 2 variables where it is crossing the x and y. So infinite, how it will be, sir?
Means it will go to infinite, but it intersect coordinate axis at one point only. See, when 2 lines are intersect like this, what is the intersection portion? What is the intersection portion? When 2 lines intersect one to one, what is the intersection portion? Point. One point only. Means
Yeah, point one.
if 2 lines are intersecting, they intersect at one point only. So here x-axis and y-axis both are number lines. X-axis is a real line, y-axis also real line. And as we know, this linear equation 2 variable represent one line, straight line. So straight line, when straight line is intersecting coordinate axis, means coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, y-axis also lines. When any line intersecting these lines, you will get only one intersect point. Okay. So now you see this x plus y is equals to 4. The solutions of this x plus 4 is equals to 4. You see here solutions. Here without taking any directly, you can say solutions are 1 comma 3. Agree? X is equals to 1, y is equals to 3. See, 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. Satisfying or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 1 comma 3 is the solution, like 2 comma 2 solution, 0 comma 4 solution. say any numbers, minus 2 comma 6 is a solution, minus 1 comma 5 solution. Like that there are infinite number of solutions for this equation x plus y is equals to 4. Okay, if you compare this equation with the standard equation, means general form of linear equation two variable, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, इसके साथ compare कर लेंगे. So now what is the value of a? What is the value of a?
1.
1, very good. X coefficient is 1
value.
and y coefficient
B
is
also 1.
1. What is the constant?
Y. B. Sir, minus 4. C
Very
equal
good,
to
very
minus
good.
4.
Very good. It would be minus 4, not 4. See here, x plus y is equals to 4. This you can rearrange this equation as x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. Generally, right side always the RHS of the equation, any equation maximum you take as 0. Better. So here if you compare the standard equation, a value 1, b value 1 and c value is minus 4. These are the constants, generally constant. Yes.
Sir, I have not understood sir, this in second variable. In two variables that you have shown ax plus b1 plus c, that I have not understood.
This is a standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. That means if you take any linear equation in two variable, you will get that equation in the form of ax plus by plus c. Always you take any equation, कोई भी equation ले लो. For example, yes.
Sir, why you have taken that c equal to minus 4?
See here, x plus y is equals to 4. That implies x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0, na? See, in the standard form, RHS is 0. In the standard form, RHS value is 0.
Yes, sir.
So, in the given equation, RHS must be 0. So, for that, I have taken 4 to left side. Minus 4, it became minus 4. Now, you compare these two equations. Just compare these two equations. Comparing means, what is the x coefficient in the standard form? And what is the x coefficient in the given equation?
3.
In the standard form, x coefficient is a. In the given equation, x coefficient is 1. So a is equals to 1.
Yes,
You
sir.
have seen in that polynomial chapter also. For example, you see one equation, polynomial equation 3x cube minus 4x square minus 5x, something 7 is equals to 0. 7 is equals to something ax cube minus bx square, some cx, SA. Now, what are the values of a, b, c, d? You have seen in
3,
the
4, 5, 7.
yes, a is equals to 3. See here, a is the coefficient of x cube. So in the LHS, x cube coefficient is 3. That is why a is equals to 3. If you compare these two polynomials, means LHS, RHS, if you compare this, a is equals to 3. Then what is the value of b?
4.
4.
अच्छे से देख लीजिए. Here x square coefficient is minus b. In RHS side, x square coefficient is minus b. In LHS side, x square coefficient is 4. So what is the value of b?
Minus 4.
Very good. B would be minus 4. And c?
Minus 5.
Very good. D is equals to 7.
7.
So like this here also, compare this x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c would be minus 4. That only 1 mark questions are there. है ना? So finally there are infinite number of solutions for linear equation in two variables. Now graphical representation of linear equation in two variables. For example, let us take this equation x plus y is equals to 4 लेंगे. So there are infinite number of.
So I have a doubt, sir.
हाँ, बोल प्रज्ञा.
सर जब हम एक ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं टू
Yes.
वेरिएबल्स का y से पास कर
Can't understand. Voice is breaking. Your voice
पास
is.
होगा.
Not audible clearly. Pragya. Hello.
So
Yes.
my doubt is that if we will
If
draw the line of that two variables, the line should always pass through a-axis and y-axis.
it is not necessary that if two variables are there, x and y both variables are there in the given equation, that equation must be intersect x-axis and y-axis at some point. Exactly intersect करना है. But
Excuse me, sir.
yesterday, just wait, Saubhagya. Yesterday only I have explained that you can write linear equation in two variable. For example, y is equals to 5. You can write this equation in two variable also. How? You can exist x variable, means 0 into x plus y is equals to 5. Now you see here two variables are there, but exactly if you see here 0 into x is 0, means here x variable is not there. So this y is equals to 5. Already yesterday I have explained, this is parallel to which axis? Parallel to which axis? The graph of y is equals to, the graph of y is equal to 5 parallel to which axis?
X-axis.
X axis. है ना? So if this the graph of y is equal to 5 is parallel to x axis, that means it is intersecting only y axis. This equation never intersect x axis because x coordinates means x values are not there. Simply x variable is not there. If in the given equation both variables are there, practically means theoretically two variables are there, like x plus y is equals to 4, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. In this all the equation there are two variables. So these equations, if you draw the graph of this equation, the graph must be intersect both coordinate axes. Got it, Pragya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you see Sital, x plus y is equals to 4. For this equation, there are infinite number of solutions like 1, 3, 2, 2, 0, 4, like that there are infinite number of solutions. To draw the graph of the equation, you take any two solutions. You take any two solutions, then join the 2 points, then you will get the graph of the equation. You see here, let us take first two solutions, 1, 3 and 2, 2.
2.
For example, you see here I am taking 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So first point is 1, 3 is this is 1, 3, and second one is 2, 2, that this is 2, 2 and this is 1, 3. Just to join these 2 points, join these 2 points and extend that line segment, then you will get the line. You see here, just
Sir, we will get the line from 4 and 3, no sir?
Of minus -1.
What you saying?
Sir, take one number of negative.
Take anything. For example, when you take x is equals to -1, I think y would be 5. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So this is -1,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Bol.
sir, it is necessary to draw a line, sir.
Graph means graph of the linear equation in two variable means graph means line. You have to draw the line.
Then you have taken that x, y equal to 5 and x equal to -1.
Yes,
Then how will
-1, 5.
How will join the line?
Just join this minus 1 comma 5, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2 by using your scale.
Sir, but it will not come in one line, na sir.
It will come on one line only.
Will come.
It sure this line, these all the points lie on the one line only. See here, there are so many solutions. You can see in the
Sir,
previous.
it is.
See.
Sir, it is necessary to draw straight line, or we can draw any.
You have to draw the line, not line segment. Line draw karna hai. See Anusha, here there are infinite number of solutions. I have written here some 5 solutions only, but there are infinite number of solutions. You take any 2 solutions from this, or 2 or more than 2, 3, 4, 5, take any, whatever you want. These all the points lie on the only one line only, because these all the points are solutions of only one equation, that is x plus y is equals to 4.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So that is the
What will be the reason, sir?
what will be the
Reason that all the solution are lying
See,
in the same.
these are
point.
these are the solutions of this equation. That means these all the points are satisfying this equation.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, if we will take all, if we will take
5 solutions.
solution, then it doesn't lie in the same line, na sir.
It will come on the only one line only. For example, you see,
Yes,
just
sir.
wait. I will open that GeoGebra. Wait. Tell me what is the first point?
Sir, 2 by 2.
Hmm?
Sir, 2,2.
Yes, see here. Point is 2 comma 2. Yes.
Then 4,1.
Is it visible point? All of you, GeoGebra?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now
Yes, sir.
visible.
Visible, na?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Just wait a minute. Yes, it is
Sir,
visible.
2,2.
Yes, next one. Next point.
0,4.
0 comma 4. Next one.
Sir, and the next one.
You take anything.
Minus
For example, minus 1 comma 5.
5.
Five.
Like that, if you take minus 2 comma 6. See, these all the points. Just observe these all the points. These all the points are collinear or not? Means if you take one line, this line passing through these all the points. Hansika, yes.
sir, 9,4.
9
9,
comma
minus 4. Minus 4.
No, sir, 4.
9
How
comma
will
4
draw
is
line?
9 comma 4 is not a solution, na?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, I'm not saying the solution.
It will not come 4.
Sir, 3,1.
You have to take the solution of the linear equation 2 variable. Don't say any number. Means मनमर्जी से कुछ ना कुछ नंबर ऐसे मत बोलना.
Sir, the solution of equation is 3,1.
हाँ. Wait a minute.
Sir, 6.
Sir, what is the
Sir,
equation?
1,3.
Wait a minute. It is not open.
X
Why?
plus y equal to
Sir, 6 comma minus 2.
Tell me.
Sir, 6
Sir,
comma
what is
minus
the
2.
equation?
Arey, 1 minute. Why it is not?
No equation is there. You only observe and say.
1 minute, students. This point is not coming. Why?
So no equation is there.
If you join these all the points, you will get the one equation. Means by following this point, you can create the equation. See how to create the equation. Just wait a minute. But why it is? Just wait.
So, Bhagya, the equation is x plus y equal to 4.
Just by following that x variable and y variable, you can give the equation.
Sir, 6 comma minus 2.
So you see here,
Sir, I think it will only conduct four solutions only.
no, there are infinite number of solutions. You can write 4 comma 0, but some problem is going on here with this GeoGebra. Just wait a minute. You see here, students,
Sir, are you presenting, sir?
just wait.
The presentation is not.
I'm going to present this. Yes. See, is it visible to you, GeoGebra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, first let us take that equation. For example, directly I will take the equation. After that, we will see the solutions. Y is equal to no. What is that equation? X plus y is equal to
X plus y equal to 4.
4. See, this is the equation, students, actually. X plus y is equal to 4. Equation of x plus y is equal to 4 is this, actually. Now you see the solutions of the equation if you take the points. Tell me what is the first point? Any point? 1
Zero
comma
comma
Minus 2 comma 6.
1 comma
minus
3 is
2
the
comma
point or
6.
not? See, the solutions of the equation. Theoretically, whatever you have found that solutions. Theoretically means when you take x is equals to 1, y value y would be 3. Like when x is equals to you, if you take say any number
0 comma
0 comma 4, you see that point also lie on the equation, means line. Point is lying on the equation or point is lying on the line, both are same meaning. Here equation is representing a line. You see x plus y is equals to 4 representing one line, one straight line. You see one more point, say one more solution of this equation.
Sir, 3 comma 1.
For example, yes, 3 comma 1, you see.
6 comma minus 2.
Yes, you see 3 comma 1, C lying on the and you see here bol
Sir, 2 comma 2.
सर हम लोग
2 comma 2, you see. I think there are 4 solutions possibilities, that is why here. Yes, you can see here D 2 comma 2. Like say one more point.
6 comma minus 2.
अरे नेगेटिव बोलो ना, नेगेटिव नंबर्स माइनस 1 comma.
6.
Sir, 6 comma minus 2.
See minus 1 comma 5, you can see E, point E. So you take any solution of this equation, that all the solutions means points are lying on the equation only. Simply, yes,
Sir, how we can know the equation by knowing the solution, sir?
see here equation is x plus y is equals to 4.
No, sir.
How?
Solution.
Can't understand. Tanya. Hello?
No sir, she is telling that if
Sir,
some
solution
solutions
दिया
are
होगा?
given और हम लोग कैसे इक्वेशन निकालेंगे in two variables.
From the equation. Actually, that is not in our 9th class standard level. Actually, forming an equation is very difficult. and also you can create the equation by following the points only. ठीक है. How to form the equation? See here, by observing the points you can create the equation. See here, just wait, I am opening this OneNote.
Sir, is it delta y by delta x or something like that?
No, just wait. How to form the equation? For example, by following that points, if you know the points, we can create the equation. How? You see. Is it visible or not? Yes, it is visible to you. See, what are the
Yes, sir.
points? 1, 3, 2, 2, like -1, 5, 4, 0. Tell me, points क्या है वो?
0,
3,
4,
1, 0, 4. These are the points.
minus 2,
Six,
minus 2, 6, minus 1,
Yes,
5.
-2, 6, -3, 7, like at -1, 5. There are infinite number of solutions for the equation x plus y is equals to, equation is x plus y is equals to 4. Now you see how to form this equation. You are asking this question. Further, you see in the lower standard some reasoning questions are there. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What would be the next number? What would be the next number? क्या है?
12.
Next number is 12. So how you are saying next number is 12?
Plus 2.
Means by observing
Oh,
this
plus
point,
2. It is the
you see
multiplication of 2,
difference.
sir.
If you see difference is 2. Same students here, you take 1, 3 point. For this 1, 3 point, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 3. X is equals to 1, y is equals to. First point 2, 2, x is equals to 2, y is equals to 2. For this point, x is equals to -1, y is equals to 5. Just observe these all the y values and x values.
So the solution is only 4 here. In
Means
every
4 means if you add x plus y or if you take x plus y, you are always getting 4.
yes sir.
ये पॉइंट सभी पॉइंट्स देख लीजिए. यू टेक द डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस. और ठीक है, डिफरेंस मीन्स जस्ट ऐड द पॉइंट्स और टेक द डिफरेंस. जस्ट you see here 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 2 4, -1 plus 5 is 4, 4, 0 is 4, sorry 4 plus 0, and 3 plus 1 is 4, 0 plus 4 is 4. So you can see here students, if you add x value and y value you are getting 4. So you can take the equation of these all the points is x plus y is equals to 4. But if this is extra topic. Forming an equation is not in our means, that is senior secondary level. But here I am explaining. Okay.
Sir, in +2.
You have asked me, that is why here I am explaining. See, this is the simple equation, that is why here we are able to forming the equation easily. But there are different type of points and there are 3-dimensional geometry points are there. X value, y value and z value. For that kind of points, so it's very difficult to form the equation. You have
Yes
to
sir,
take
3D Cartesian plane.
Yes, if you see here points observe कर लेंगे easily. If you add the x value and y value, that means abscissa and ordinate, you are getting 4. So equation of this is x plus y is equals to 4. Easy. But for example, if I give equation 2x minus 3y is equals to something 12. If you take the solutions of these equations, by following that solution, this equation forming is difficult. X plus y is equal to 4 easily मिल गया, because this is some simple equation, है ना? So that is some difficulty topic, that is for you, है ना? That is a whatever syllabus in our 9th class. First to focus on that, then we will see extra topics. So up to our 9th class standard, they will give you equation, we have to find the solutions. They will give you equation, you have to draw the graph of that equation. To draw the graph of the equation, already I told you there are infinite number of solutions, but you no need to take all the solutions because these all the points are lying on the one line only. So just take any two solutions among the infinite number of solutions. Take any two solutions. For example, if I take 4 comma 0 and 3 comma 1, see 4 comma 0 is this is 4 comma 0 and 3 comma 1 is somewhere this. These 2 points are enough to draw the graph. Just join these 2 points and extend that one. Just extend like this. Just extend karna. That's it. Automatically you will get the equation of, means graph of the equation. For any linear equation 2 variable, this is the process. Find any two solutions, but take different solutions. No? Don't take same solution. Take different solutions, represent the two solutions on the Cartesian plane, join the points, then you will get the equation. For example, one more see.
Sir,
Bol.
after that joining, we have to extend the line or what?
You have to extend. You have to extend the, because linear equation 2 variable represent a line, not line segment. So you have to extend. See students, here one more equation, for example 2x plus 3y is equal to something 12. So find any two solutions, and already told you better to take integer solutions, integrals. So here tell me, let x is equal to something, for example, say anything. For example, simple x is equal to 0 लेंगे तो क्या होगा? X, if you take x is equal to 0, 2 into 0 plus 3y is equals to 12, y is equals to 4. Therefore, what is the solution? Solution is what? 0, 4.
0,
4.
Next, let better first x is equal to 0 ले लो.
Excuse me, sir.
After that y is equal to 0. Yes.
Sir, can you say, yesterday you have said I have not written, now I have seen, sir. Sir, how to know that whether the line will lie in which quadrant?
How to know?
Yes, sir.
See, already in the coordinate geometry, already I have explained that. In the first quadrant, both abscissa and ordinate positive in the first quadrant. Because
What is the question, sir?
he is asking that how to know given point lying on which axis. Means which axis or which coordinate.
Sir, which line, sir? Line of that linear equation in 2 variable.
Oh, just you see here 0, 4 is one point. Generally 0, 4 is lying on where? X coordinate is 0, means y axis. Y axis. And let us find out one more equation, one more solution. For example, you see here I will take x is equals to 3. So 2 into 3 plus 3 into y is equals to 12. Then 3y is equal to how much? 6, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the solution? 3, 2 is the solution. Now see Saubhagya. Two solutions, 0, 4 and 3, 2. 0, 4 and 3, 2. These two are the solutions. Means you have taken. You know that 0, 4 is lying on the y-axis. Generally, just imagine this. 0, 4 इधर जहाँ कुछ रहेगा. And 3, 2 is somewhere like this.
Sir,
सर आप जो लिए वहाँ पे -6 होना चाहिए ना, तो 6 यहाँ पे 6 है, वहाँ पे तो -6 हो जाएगा ना.
2 3s are 6. If you send 6 to left right side, 12 minus 6, 12 minus 6 value is 6.
Okay, sir.
3y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 by 3, that is 2.
Okay, sir.
Now you see, if you locate these 2 points, you see here, Saubhagya. These 2 points lying on the first quadrant, you can see. If you join this, जनरली ऐसे जाएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
That means maximum portion is in the first coordinate na. And also this line is passing through in the second coordinate and also fourth coordinate also. But you no need to show that one, because line को show करना means line is infinite ना. We can't show whole line in one page or in one plane. We can't show whole line, because line is, there is no end for the line ना, infinite तक जाएगा. So what we have to show this, where the line is intersecting both coordinate axes, x axis and y axis को intersect करेगा. That portion we have to show here. This portion only. Saubhagya, got it?
Yes, sir.
Now you see let us move to GeoGebra. Here I am using GeoGebra, but in the examination you have to draw the equations, students. See, here I am deleting this all.
Sir, in the exam, what you have told?
Means you have to draw the equations. Here I am directly, when you type this what
Equation.
So this GeoGebra will give the ग्राफ ऑफ दैट
Line.
इक्वेशन. हाँ, कोई भी इक्वेशन डालो उसका ग्राफ मिल जाता है, बिकॉज दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन. I think today some network problem is going on. Is it visible to you?
No, sir.
No. I could see here, but what happened? What happened? I think some network problem is going on, students. Here I am not able to present anything here. Sharing option is not visible here. Just wait a minute. I will open another window. Yes, is it visible, students, now?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what was the equation? Which equation I have given? 2x plus 3y. Hello.
12.
2x plus 3y is equals to 12. So this is the solution of means graph of the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. Means when I type any equation here, this application will give the graph of that equation, whatever it is. कोई भी इक्वेशन डालो आपको ग्राफ मिल जाएगा, है ना. सो नाउ यू टेक व्हाट आर द विच पॉइंट्स यू हैव टेकन 0 कामा हेलो
0,4.
Yes, sir.
0,4, 1,3,
0,4.
2,
0,4 is point A. You can see. Now what is the next point you have taken?
1,3.
1,3.
No, not 1,3. 3,2 I think.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
minus 2,6.
Minus 2,6. अरे तुम
6, no?
Sir, 9, minus 2. 9, minus 2.
9 comma minus 2, it may be. You see here, when you type any point here, you can check whether the point is lying on the equation or not. You see here 9 comma 2, yes, 9 comma minus 2 also solution of this equation. Those points are lying on this equation, that all the points are solution of this equation. Simply
The minus 1,6.
listen, see, okay, minus 1 comma
6.
wait, minus 1 comma 6, yes, it is not a solution. You see here,
Okay, sir.
if you substitute this minus 1 comma 6 in the given equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, it will not satisfy that equation. So here minus 1 comma 6 is not a solution, you can say here, because you see, yes.
Then 6 comma minus 1 I think would be the solution.
Wait,
6 comma minus
we can
1.
check, we can check here. 6 comma
Minus 1.
6 comma minus 1. No, this is also not a solution.
No.
See, it is coming under the equation, you see. E. Means if you see here, if you take this point at this 6 comma 0 is the solution. Payal, Sital.
Okay, sir.
See here, see students, points here I am locating, you see. F is a solution. This is also solution. Let's say you take any point on this line. You take any point on this line.
सर
Hmm.
सर वो डी को नीचे लाके वो लाइन में थोड़ा सा जोड़िए.
Sir, 5, 0.6.
Wait. Now D is
इसका क्या वैल्यू है?
this is the solution. Now you see the coordinates of D are what? Minus 1.4. Sorry, sir. Minus 1 comma what? 4.68.
4.68.
Yes. If you take abscissa and ordinate like this, so it became solution of this equation.
Sir, one more way I say, sir.
हाँ बोल.
Sir, 5, 0.66.
5 comma.
0.66.
See this is.
Yes, sir.
No 4.9 हो रहा है ना. Just wait. See how this is changing here. You can see here.
Yes, sir. You have done.
अरे 4.99 ना.
Sir, 5.00 आप टाइप कर दीजिए.
Yes.
आ जाए.
Now you see 5.5 comma 0.67 is also solution. Simply line means collection of points, students. एक पॉइंट ऐसे जोड़ेंगे तो आपको लाइन मिलता है. And you see point means solution of the equation. That is why equation represent line, straight line. So maximum generally students are having this doubt, how this line equation is representing the line in the Cartesian plane. You see generally line is forming, how line is forming here. Generally for the geometry, the origin of the geometry is point, एक point है. From the point only our geometries had been started. Generally point means x coordinate and y coordinate. If you join these all the points in such a way, you will get one line. Like line segment, line, ray, whatever it is. These all are the collection of points. Points को जोड़ेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा ये line and सब कुछ. How you are getting these points? From the given equation, you will get the some solutions. That solutions are actually points. So that is why linear equation 2 variable or linear equation 3 variable, whatever it is, linear means एक line मिलेगा आपको, straight line मिलेगा. So this is a way, students. Take any two solutions. Here there are so many solutions, but you no need to take these all solutions. Take any two solutions. Here see, these 2 points are important, students. Capital A and capital E. These 2 points are important. Generally they are asking in the questions that where the line is intersecting coordinate axis. So this line is intersecting x-axis at what point? At which point? By following the graph you can say at which point
6,
this line,
0.
Yes, 6, 0. And intersecting y-axis at what point?
0, 4.
0, 4. These 2 points are mainly important, students. See, in the 0, 4, abscissa is 0. And in the point 6, 0, ordinate is 0. So better to take these solutions always. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. When you take x is equal to 0, for this equation y would be 4. So 0, 4 is a solution. When you take y is equal to 0, 6 is coming here as 6. Sorry, x is coming as 6. So the solution of this equation is 6, 0. Means पहले x is equal to 0, second one y is equal to 0. So 0, 4, 4, 0 are the solutions, 2 solutions of this equation. So joining the 2 points, you will get the line. And also where the line is intersecting a coordinate axis, that is also you can give the answer directly. If any line is intersecting y axis, that means x value 0 hoga. Just substitute x is equal to 0 in the equation, find out y value. Where the line is intersecting y axis, तो x is equal to 0 लेना है. If the line is intersecting x axis, y is equal to 0 ले लो. Just y is equal to 0, substitute in the given equation, you will get this x value. So here if you take y is equal to 0, x is getting as 6. Yes.
Sure, but in the last class you have shown that even if we take 0, sometimes we don't get.
Like for example, you see x plus y is equals to 4 in the previous equation, x plus y is equals to 4. So if you take x is equal to 0, what you are getting here? Oh, x plus, so not this, 0, 0 is a solution. For example, sometimes origin is a solution of some equations. For suppose x plus y is equals to 1, not 1. X plus y is equal to, you take 0. See here on the GeoGebra, let me type that equation. So deleting all this. See here x plus y is equals to 0. Here I am taking this x plus y is equal to 0. You can see this is passing through origin. So here if you take x is equal to 0, y value 0 hoga. If you take y is equal to 0, x value 0 hoga. So both are same points, na? 0, 0, 0, 0. At that time you have to take some different point. Generally always you have to take x is equal to 0, find y value. Y is equal to 0, find x value. But for this kind of equations, those equations are passing through origin. You can't take that two situations. That means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, nihil is accepted. Okay. So at this kind of for this kind of situations, you have to take some different point. Means x is equal to 0, y value 0. Let us take x is equal to 2, y value something. ऐसे होना चाहिए. Finally, students, take any two different points. Find out any two different points. Locate that points on the Cartesian plane and join the points. Then you will get the graph of the equation. Clear, Shetal? Graph of
Yes,
the, graph of the linear equation, two variable. This is the process. Find any two solutions, and better to take integral solutions. Sometimes when you are taking x value something, y value for example 3.1, 3.7 ऐसे कुछ मिलेगा, तो that is also okay solution, but it is not easy to represent on the Cartesian plane. As you know, means 3.1 means exactly 3 का 4 का somewhere exist होता है, but लोकेट करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. सो बेटर टू टेक इंटीजर सॉल्यूशंस. यस स्टूडेंट्स. हाँ हेलो.
Yes,
No, I was saying that this should go.
हाँ, दिस मच ओनली स्टूडेंट्स. दिस होल चैप्टर डिपेंड्स ऑन द हाउ टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ linear equation two variable. If you know how to find the solution of linear equation two variable, you can draw the graph of the equation. You can find where the line is intersecting x-axis and y-axis. Everything you can find. First, you must know how to find the solution of linear equation two variable. Very simple. You take any x value, just x value put in that equation, find out y value. X value, y value एक coordinate आप odd dot pair में लिखेंगे तो that is the solution. Just you take any x value. There are infinite number of numbers are there. You take any x value. Just whatever taking x value, just substitute in the given equation. Find out y value. For example, x plus y is equals to 4. Previous equation. X plus y is equals to 4. When you take x is equal to 1, y would be 3. X is equals to 2, y also 2. X is equal to 3, y value 1. X is equal to 5, y value like that. Minus 1 like that. So find out like this solutions. But graph के लिए you no need to represent this all the points on the Cartesian plane. Just 2 points are enough. 2 points are enough because for the line segment you need only 2 points, not more than 2. 2 points are enough. Just join the 2 points and extend that line segment. You will get the equation. Means graph of the equation. Line मिल जाएगा. Yes. Are you saying anything? Hansika?
Sir.
Okay. See students, I will start new chapter in the coming class. So complete that questions which was given yesterday, that PDF file. Solutions was there, but still try to do yourself.
Yes.
Try to solve that questions. 1 mark questions, objective questions are very, very important, students.
Sir.
Just wait a minute, Anusha. For the half yearly examinations, maximum there will be some objective question type paper. The paper which contains objective questions. So just focus on the 1 mark questions, all of you. That is very, very important. And by solving this 1 mark question only, your concept will be improved. Commanding on the concept would be improved. So 1 mark questions के ऊपर थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए. Yes, Anusha.
Okay.
Anusha.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was telling that you have given one test, na, sir.
Coordinate geometry class test.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yesterday
sir.
I have released that marks, na.
Yes, sir. But that coordinate geometry in that which we have done here, the solutions were not there, sir.
In the previous, in the yesterday's PDF.
Yes, sir.
No solutions are here, na.
The solutions are there, but how they are solved, that is not there in some questions.
Oh. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we will
Sir,
discuss. But maximum try to focus on that solution. You can understand that how they have done that. Yes. Anybody?
Last test marks, sir.
Yesterday I have released. Just check your mail.
Sir, I have a doubt in one question, sir. Can you explain it?
The time is 9:50. Yes. Yes, you can ask.
Sir, in question number 8, I have one doubt.
In question, can you say that question?
Yes, sir. I am getting it now.
Is it visible, students? One note.
Yes, sir. I got the question.
Yes.
Sir, the values of A and B
Wait.
that
Wait. Values
Yes,
of
sir.
A and B means we have to find the values of A and B.
so that the polynomial x cube minus
Hmm.
ax square
Hmm.
minus 13x
Hmm.
plus b
Plus B.
is divisible by
Is divisible by
x plus 1 and x minus 3.
x plus 1 and x minus
3.
Yes. What are the values of A and B?
Yes, sir.
You see here, very simple. When this polynomial is dividing with x plus 1, means here dividing means exactly divisible, students. Exactly divisible, like 9 by 3 exactly divisible होता है ना, जैसे this polynomial is dividing with x plus 1, remainder would be 0. By following remainder theorem, what is the remainder? If you take given polynomial is p of x, अगर p of x लेंगे polynomial को, so when you are dividing this polynomial with x plus 1, what is the remainder here? बोल सब
0.
Remainder is 0, but by following the remainder theorem, what is the remainder? By following remainder theorem,
Sir,
p of
p of 1 and p of 3.
p of 1 or p of minus 1?
Sorry, p of minus 1.
P of minus 1 is the remainder, and also
P of plus 3.
P of 3 also remainder. So from these two, you will get the two equations. You will get two linear equations in two variable. Linear equation two variables मिलेगा in terms of A and B. By solving that equations, you will get A and B. Yesterday I told you when you for example, if you see if two lines are intersecting, you will get the only one common point. Means solution of pair of two equations. Pair of equations is only one point.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बोल.
Sir, may I leave, sir?
टाइम हो गया ना. Okay, Saubhagya, you see here. Just wait. Saubhagya, find out P of minus
sir.
1 and P of 3. You will get two equations in terms of AB. For example, you see, for example, from the first one, if you get 2A plus B, from the second one, for example, आपको मिल गया A plus 3B is equal to something 2. So by solving these two equations, you will get A and B. And how to solve these two equations, tomorrow I will explain. Very simple.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
See, very simple. From the first equation, find out any variable. For example, B is equal to कितना होगा? Minus 2A. This B is equal to minus 2A value, substitute in the second equation. A plus 3B, B is equal to minus 2A, is equals to 2. So A minus 6A is equals to 2. So that implies minus 5A is equals to 2. So A is equals to minus 2 by 5. ऐसे फाइंड करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Means very simple, Saubhagya. When you have any two equations, linear equation, two variables, Solving the two equations means take any variable from any one of the equation. Whether from the first equation or second equation, take any one variable, whether it is x or y. That value substitute in the second equation. For example, if you take x value from the first equation, that x value you have to substitute in the second equation, so that you will get the y value. After finding y value, you put any one of the equation, you will get x value. That is the process. Tomorrow I will explain in the next class. Yes, students?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shetal. Bol beti.
So, when we will get our that math quiz marks, as I asked Sayang about it, then she was saying that she got her quiz result in her mail, but I didn't get anything about it. That's why I was asking.
Quiz or class test?
Sorry, class test.
Class test marks na. ठीक है, I will release the marks in the WhatsApp group then so that you can see. Actually, already I have released, means that message has gone to your mail. Okay, no problem. I will release the marks means I will share the marks in your WhatsApp group
Okay, sir.
with your
Thank
name.
You, sir.
Okay, students? Bye, students.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.